Hey everyone, this is Jordan from Sleeklens.com, and in this video I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of the new custom LUTs, the big screen cinematic LUTs collections we have over at Sleeklens. So real briefly, if you're not sure what exactly LUTs are, it stands for lookup tables, and lookup tables are a way of altering the red, green, and blue channels, the RGB channels, in a particular video or photos. So in this instance, I'm going to show you how to apply these custom LUTs to your video files here. I'm actually in Final Cut Pro here, and you can do this as well in Adobe Premiere as well, or basically any editor that accepts 3D LUT files. So I'm going to go ahead and show you a couple of these custom LUTs that we have available so you can see the kind of effects that you can instantly apply to your video files. So again, I'm in Final Cut Pro here, and to apply a custom LUT, I'm just going to go over here to the video effects. I'm going to go to color, and I'm going to choose Custom LUT. I'm going to drag this over, and I'm going to apply it to this second video file. So real quick, so you can see what this video file looks like right here. This is what the original looks like. So now I'm going to apply this custom LUT. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to choose a particular LUT here. I'm going to go down to choose custom LUT, and here are all the LUTs that are available, the custom LUTs that are available with the big screen LUTs collection. These are all inspired by regular movies, cinematic movies that you go to the theaters to see. These are all inspired, the looks are inspired by those particular films. So for this particular video file, I'm going to go ahead and go down here to interrogation, and I'm going to choose the cube file. You can see that it comes with 4 different files meant for almost any editor out there. Again, any editor that accepts 3D LUT files. I'm going to go ahead and click on the interrogation Sleeklens cube file. I'm going to click there, and I'm going to click open. And now if we go over to the new file here, we can see that it gives a really different look. So I'm going to go ahead and play this one here, and you can see the kind of effect it has. It's a general kind of a flat effect. And then this is the one with the custom LUT applied. So as you can tell, it already looks a bit more cinematic. And if we think the effect is a little bit too harsh, the one good thing about this is you can actually go over here and you can actually turn it down by decreasing the mix here, and that'll kind of blend in a little bit of the LUT as well as a little bit of the underlying original film. So you can see it looks like a really cool effect. So again, here's the before and here is the after. All right, so we have another video file here. We have this kind of landscape scene, a girl looking at a landscape. You can see the original file here. Very nice image, but it's still like a little flat. It needs kind of a little bit of color to it. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to choose Custom LUT. I'm going to drag that over and apply it to our second clip here. And I'm going to choose, for this particular one, I'm going to go over here to choose rom-com for romantic comedy. And I'm going to choose the same thing. I'm going to choose the cube file there, and I'm going to click open. And as you can see, the effect is really different. So here is the original. And then here is the after version. So pretty cool effect. You can see the drastic difference here. A lot more color, a lot more warmth, and this one just looks really flat. So really cool effect there. And let's go over and do one more. So this one's going to be more of a subtle change, but it's going to be a really cool look here. So we have this video file here of just cars driving over the top of a bridge. Cool drone shot here. And we want to apply a different kind of cinematic look, like it belongs in a movie, like a really intense movie. So I'm going to do the same exact thing to apply this custom LUT. Drag this LUT file over here, and I'm going to choose from the drop down and go to Custom LUT, and I'm going to choose the one called Trek. Right there, cube file. I'm going to click open. And as you can see, it kind of darkens it a little bit, gives it a little bit more blue, intensifies those colors down there. So this is the before, and this is the after. So really easy ways to add custom looks to your photos. Again, the big screen custom LUTs are inspired by all the big movies out there, and there's going to be more to come, but this is a really cool collection to start off with. It includes 36 different LUTs in 4 different LUT formats, so they can be used almost in any different program out there. So go ahead and check them out. The link is in the description down below, so you can check out more information about those. Hope you enjoyed that quick walkthrough of the custom LUTs, the big screen custom LUTs collections from Sleeklens. This has been Jordan from Sleeklens, and I'll see you in the next video.